put your own portals in. And this is where it starts getting really mind twisting.
So anyway, this is a...
So are you working on angles with the portals?
So if you put one on the ceiling, and if you put a portal over here and then over on the wall here, if we walk back through this portal, you drop through the ceiling.
So then there's a portal then out here.
It's a really good thing for spatial.
Put a portal up there.
Because you always come out to other...
So we could put a portal on that wall over there and a portal on this wall over here, and if we walk back through this portal, we would come out that portal.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay? So the same thing with the ceiling. So if you put it on the ceiling and behind you, you drop through
gotcha.
there. If you put one on the ceiling and on the floor, and you dropped, you would drop forever.
So you're marking your entry and your exit.
Right.
But you gotta just figure out where to put the portals to get to where you need to go.
Right.
And the elevator takes you to the next level.
Oh no. Oh no, see, look,
So if you were building this,
if I put a portal
just
here,
grab
a
that.
different room.
and a portal over here, then when you walk, you'll go back to Right. Weird.
Do your portals stay for very long?
They stay forever until you move them.
That looks like a portal in Greece. All the white walls.
Like we could probably shut it off.
No, I was just going to turn down the brightness.